Welcome back, I'm Darlett. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to replace your photo background with a different scene. To create a fun, professional, or exciting looks. And guess what, guys? It's all for free. So we're going to go to canva.com and we're going to use the free version of this. You're going to go to the left side, click on create a design, scroll down to see custom size. Now I already know the size that I want, so I'm going to select it. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to uploads and select the picture that you want to use. So I'm going to do that. Put your picture on the canvas, modify it. Now, if you have a paid version of Canva, all you have to do is just click the remove button and it remove the background for you. But let's say you don't have the paid version. So this is how we're going to get around of removing our background for free. So the first thing you want to do is go to BG background remover. Click on the first link. Click on upload image. Okay, find the image that you want the background to be removed from. Open it. And you can see it's doing its thing. It's removing the background. Click on download. And this is the free version of removing your background. So then we're going to go back to Canva. Click on upload. And click on the image from BG. And that's the free way of removing your background. Okay, there you have it. So now we want to replace the background with something else. So we're going to go to pixabay.com where we get our free images for free. Click on it. Now let's see. Let's type in funky graphic background. Enter. And let's find something that's cute that we can use to replace our background. Okay, so I like this image. So I'm going to right click, copy image, and go back to canva.com. Click on the canvas, right click and paste. Then scroll all the way down and set this as my background image. And so I think this is cute. So I think that's cute. And if you like it, you just go to share in the right corner, click on it, click download. And then it'll be saved to your computer. You can open the file if you choose to. And there you have it. Now let's say you want to choose another background for free. So we would go back to pixabay.com and let's type in park. And remember not to choose these up here because these are not free unless you want to pay for them. And let's choose a background. Okay, so I like this one right here. So I will right click, copy image, then go back to canva.com, right click the canvas, click paste, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down, set as image. And so now you have to modify your picture. And so I think that's cute. So now I replaced the background with a park image, and I think that's cute. Again, you can go back to share, click on download, and save. You can save it on your computer. Now we're going to choose a photo from Canva, and we're going to change its background. We're going to go to elements, type in girl jumping, and we're going to select a photo that is free to change its background. So just keep scrolling until you find something free and cute. Okay, here's one. So we're gonna remove the background. Actually, we're gonna duplicate it. Okay, so let's change her background to something more fun. Let's change it to a beach background. And so let's find one that's free. Let's scroll down. So here's one that is free. We're going to right click it, scroll all the way down to set as image, and modify your photo. So guys, that looks good to me. So the next thing you want to do is go to the share button in the right corner. You know what to do. Download and save to your computer. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to replace the background in your photos. Until next time, this is Darlett. Please like, share, and comment below.